Sustainable construction is paramount for the planet. It's about half of all carbon emissions across the entire world come from the built environment. And in terms of embodied carbon in buildings, that's about 20% of all the planet's carbon emissions. So if we just save a few percent of carbon emissions in buildings, it's the equivalent of wiping out the entire aviation industry in terms of its contribution to carbon emissions. That's the enormity of what we've got in front of us. So conferences like this one being held at Kingston University, this is exactly what the profession needs.
You know, we dig stuff out of the ground to make materials, and then we process materials into products, and then we use those products in part of their life cycle, and then they become waste at the end. And all those stages produce waste materials, and all those stages need energy. And in this day and age when global warming, carbon emissions, sustainable development are such hot issues, the energy and waste that come from the materials that we use are absolutely key to moving to a more sustainable future.
Efficiency is a big thing for sustainability, and that is the very big topic here of that conference. Well, it's always very good to get into exchange with other colleagues from around the world, because they have sometimes the same problem, but they have some other solutions. If we can go into a more sustainable use of constructions, that can make a big difference.
The important message that we would like all the representatives and participants to take away from this conference is to think outside the box and be aware of the innovations and creativities that are taking place around the world, so that they can start making a tangible difference in adopting the practice that can contribute in lowering the carbon footprint.